Richard Radke here with a review on Multiple Income Funnel 2024 review. First of all, you can see everything we got on top. This is an amazing system with everything it's got in it. First of all, it will tell you how to get started. We'll get back to that later. If you go to here to your links, it shows you all the different capture pages that you can use, and you can use one or as many as you feel like. I myself use more than one depending where I'm posting it. Then you got your training in here. That's all included with the thing. First of all, you got your weekly training. Then you got your market system training. With all the things you could learn about how to do better marketing is all in here. Then if you go back to the training again, you get to the other one where it gives you lessons. First lesson is how to improve your personality. Then it shows you how to get traffic, how to do follow-up, how to do YouTube, how to do Facebook ads, block some time, and then you got launch and bonuses. And that's all included part of the program here. Then you go into your leads. It shows you all the leads you have when you get all your leads, and you get an email for every one of them, so you can email them. And of course, the company emails them all too to tell them about the thing. Then you got there to see who's on the leaderboard. Then you got resources. Resources that just you gives you sample emails you can use to do follow-ups in there. And then you also got your own business to show, and then you've got a bonus income, which I'll talk about a little bit later. And then you got email swipes, and then when you go there to start, click on start here. You go to step 1, and that you can watch a video there. Basically tells you all about the program and how to set it up. Then step 2 and step 3 are your choices, what you put in there. You can put in whatever opportunity you have. And if you don't have an opportunity, you can use the ones I'm using if you want to. 2 and 3, I got each one of them cost me less than $10 a month. Then you have number 4, which is Traffic Authority, where you can get real good traffic. They've been in business for over 7 years. And then, like I said, I got my bonus one where I get my traffic from too. And that costs me $1 a day, so $30 a month. And at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads, which I can email every day with that program. It's all included too. So, I mean, this is a great program as far as I'm concerned. I mean, you get all these things that you can do with it. And I'm gonna, and then when you like, I'm gonna leave a link there where you can watch Matt do the presentation of the video. It takes 21 minutes, but he does a very good presentation. And with that, you can also join with that same link. So I'd like to see you on my team. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. You can always contact me if you want more information. So bye for now.